Hey guys, I am working on a project in my newly remodeled laundry room. We're almost done, and today I am going to stain our new butcher block top. I needed a place to fold laundry, and this is what we went with. I have never done this before. I've been watching YouTube videos, so I thought it might be funny to do a time-lapse video of it. I promise to show it to you whether it turns out amazing or if it's hideous. So this should be interesting. Wish me luck. I'm gonna stain this top and the bar up above. So wish me luck. Okay, so I applied 2 coats of the stain. I gotta let it dry 24 hours and then I can put a polyurethane clear coat on top. This is what it looks like so far. I'm very happy with the coloring. So now to let it dry. All right, I'm almost done. I gotta do the polyurethane stain on the top. I mean the polyurethane clear, but this is how it turned out. Yes, we lowered the bead board and I'm so glad we did. I gotta put the outlet covers back on. I just painted the bead board. My glam knobs to match my super glam chandelier. So now comes the fun part of decorating. I'm gonna probably get a wood and black stool for there. Maybe a foo-foo girly one, I don't know, we'll see what matches. And lots of like laundry signs and stuff to hang up and up there. Black and white and silver. So anyway, that's it. I'm very super happy. All right, I'm obsessed with my laundry room. I still need to get something for this wall, something really long, and then something for this wall. And then I'm hanging my ironing board there. I gotta get a really pretty rack hook. But that's it so far. What do you think?